This is the Swiffer PowerMop, and it is an upgrade from the Swiffer Purple Mop that we usually get with the spray. I'm going to show it to you and let you know how it works, and I'm going to tell you what the differences is with the old one and the new one are. It comes nicely packaged in a box, and you can tell that it's heavy duty. It's not a flimsy mop, and it comes with all directions on the outside to tell you exactly how to put it together. Now, you're just going to snap all those pieces that you see together. Remove the paper from under here, and you're going to make sure when you clip it in, you hear it click so it stays in. It comes two of the paper mops that you see on here. Now, these are pretty long, and they are pretty heavy duty. It does also come with two batteries, and you just put them on the back where you see the slot over here. You just put them inside of it and slap it back in. Regards to the pads, usually I'll get some microfiber pads so that I'll have to keep rebuying them, and those are washable. And in regards to the pads for this one here, the Power Mop, they are quite a bit longer than the older version. Now, this is where you snap in the battery, and this one is ready to go. Drop the pad on the floor, put the mop right on top of it, and step on it. It's going to get it right in there. Give it a spray and start mopping. It covers quite a bit of floor. The little cuts on the pad over there will pick up the debris and things like that so that it's cleaning much better than just the flat one. The wide mop head does cover a good amount of space, and I think it does a beautiful job cleaning the hardwood. It's smooth to move on the floor, so nothing is getting stuck on there. What I like about this mop rather than the electric ones that we use is the fact that this is just so easy to pick up and go and use it quickly, fast, without having to worry about charging it and cleaning it out and all of that. The Swiffer Power Mop is definitely a keeper, and I think it's going to do great things just helping you keep the house super clean.